How to add PayPal donation button to YouTube channel. Everybody, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. The first thing what you have to do is make sure you have a PayPal.me account. If not, you can just create it from here and fill up the form and create it. Then copy the URL of your PayPal account and then go to YouTube Studio. Open YouTube Studio and then simply log in. Then what you have to do is go to the customization section and you should see this. Go to basic info and here if you have to add that link over here. Enter the title, edit it however you want and enter the link over here and save it and you will be done. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.